Dear students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. I am Sri Kumar. The class is for 6th standard students. Subject is mathematics. Let us begin the class.
Dear students, we are getting into a new chapter, decimal fractions. You know, fractions are part of whole, never it is complete. You studied about the operations on fractions earlier, and decimal fractions are also known to you. You have studied about addition and subtraction of such fractions. Half of the lesson is a revision of it, and something new concept is also added to it. The picture on the screen is telling you about some transaction happening between the boy and the shopkeeper. Most probably he is there to buy some pen or pencil. And decimal numbers are very common in our day-to-day life, especially when you go to buy something in the shop. And let us try to understand more about decimal fractions. Okay. Now, as far as this boy is concerned, he is bothered about giving change to the person, the shopkeeper. We are having certain other business to do. Certain situation we will be having bills like this, which we have to deal with, and inside the bill we can see that certain situation there will be amount like a pen costing 4 rupee 50 paise, and it will be written in the form of what we say 4.5. again a decimal. It is written here 4.5. That means in a decimal format it is. And we have studied about how in such situation we will deal with. In that case we found that we were dealing addition and subtraction at that time. In that case we found that we can deal with it by keeping the decimals in the same line, right? That is what you studied. So whenever such situation of addition or subtraction of a decimal number comes, what we normally do, very simply, if it is an addition of 3.5 and 4.5 for example, what we normally do is that we will put those decimal points in a line and add, correct? So it is like that, 5 plus 5 10, and the balance 1 will be put, and we will be having 7 plus 1 8 over here, and we write the answer 8. This is what we have done and we will be doing here after also. Now the point over here is that how this decimal number comes about. It happens in our day-to-day transaction. For example, here is a common picture from your textbook. Again I am taking a picture. These are pictures extracted from your textbook. What is this picture all about? This picture is from a vegetable market where she is buying something, and it is happening in every home. सिर्फ इतना है कि कोविड की वजह से थोड़ा संभाल के जाके लेके आना पड़ता है. But in the vegetable market, or whether it is in the grocery shop, किधर भी होने दो, we know that we will be getting a bill and calculation sometime in digital and decimal format. What I mean by that, it is a situation, for example, here also we can see that in such situation, for example, if that lady or mother who is there in the market is buying items like this, for example, potato 750 gram, onions 1000 gram, cabbage 500 gram, tomatoes 250 gram. ऐसा होता है क्या? ऐसा होता है. मेजरमेंट या वेइंग में ऐसा होता है। लेकिन हम क्या बोलेंगे, पोटैटो 750 ग्राम को हम अपना लैंग्वेज में 3 पाव बोलेंगे, क्योंकि 250 ग्राम इज इक्वल टू पाव किलो फॉर अस। मैं आपके लिए बोल रहा हूं, लेकिन एक्चुअली क्या है, एक्चुअली वी हैव ए कैलकुलेशन इन आवर माइंड दैट 1000 ग्राम is equal to 1 kilogram. So 500 gram is equal to half of it. उसके लिए हम क्या बोलेंगे, half kg या आधा किलो बोलेंगे, राइट। हाफ kg आधा किलो, आधा किलो के और हाफ हो गया तो हम पाव बोलेंगे। ये सब अपना प्रैक्टिस है। But in mathematics, when we write 750 gram, 1000 gram, all these are in same unit, 500 gram and 250 gram. और अगर किलोग्राम में लिखना है, we have to divide it with 1000. Dividing with 1000 means the decimal number will move 3 position to the left and it will become 0.750 kilogram. 0.75 is ultimately, this is 1 kilogram, this is 0.5 kilogram, this is 0.25 kilogram. Now the answer, if you have to write, we have to add all this in. How will we add? 0.750 plus 1, 1 इधर आएगा, point इधर है, 0 इधर है, then 0.50, you can put as much as you want, and 0.25. When we add this, 5 plus 5 10, then 3 8 plus 7 15, decimal 1 plus 1 which is equal to 2. तो क्या हो गया इधर, this is 2.5 kilogram, यही तो इधर लिखा है, 2500 gram is equal to 2.5 kilogram. That is in the case of kilogram, liter, that is measurement of volume. And in the case of kilometer, kilo means having 1000, we use this method to convert between gram and kilogram, and whenever we convert gram to kilogram, the number will turn into decimal, and it becomes, when there is decimal, you should understand that it is fraction. वो fraction में आ गया, फिर decimal आ गया मतलब fraction में आ गया, correct? So this you should remember, that is what is important here whenever we are putting a decimal. If it is simply given to you that the number is 3.2, वो fraction हो गया, 3 full और एक 0.2. चलो हमको ये 0.2 पकड़ के आगे जाना है। भाई ये 0.2 कैसे fraction हो गया? 0.2 fraction ही है, because suppose that, अभी आपको एक दूसरा चीज बताता हूं, आपको नंबर लाइन याद होगा, ये भी आपका टेक्स्ट बुक में से है, क्या है, नंबर लाइन याद है, ये नंबर लाइन को, नंबर लाइन आप इसमें इंटीजर्स के टाइम पे सब पढ़ा था। नंबर लाइन देखो, इफ यू हैव टू राइट सम नंबर ओवर हियर, इफ यू आर राइटिंग 3.2 जो मैं अभी लिखा है, तो 0 से 1 में आया, 2 में आया, 3.2 मतलब 2 डिवीजन, आपको इधर मार्क करना पड़ेगा, इधर मार्क करना पड़ेगा, करेक्ट। इफ इट इज 7.5 आपको इधर मार्क करना पड़ेगा, राइट। सो 7 है, 8 नहीं, 3 है, 4 नहीं, सो वो कैसे मालूम पड़ा, 0.2, 0.5. So all this became fractions. So in number line representation, you can represent decimal fraction on number, you can write decimal fraction, you can add decimal fraction, you can subtract decimal fraction. While subtracting and adding, you have to put the decimals in a line, just like I showed you. If you have to add these two and you will put these decimals in line, you will simply add 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 3 10, decimal उसकी जगह पे. If it is subtraction, 7.5, this you have studied, and you will write 3 and 4 and will put here. Understood? Now the new thing is about multiplication of decimal numbers. That is something interesting. The multiplication of decimal numbers. चलो मल्टीप्लिकेशन में जाएंगे हम. Multiplication of decimal numbers. Of decimal fractions. Okay. Multiplication of decimal fractions. That is the topic. Suppose that you have to multiply 4.3 with 5. थोड़ा पतला कर देता हूँ. So what will happen? How will you multiply? मैंने तो अंडरलाइन कर दिया, वो आदत हो गया ना, सीधा मल्टीप्लाई करना शुरू करो. बट वी शुड अंडरस्टैंड हाउ द मल्टीप्लिकेशन विल टेक प्लेस. To do multiplication, we must know that how exactly the decimal fraction is. We can represent any decimal fraction. वो डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन में एक चीज आपको याद है, डेसिमल आया 10 से, डेसी मीन्स 10. So any decimal fraction can be written with a denominator which is multiple of 10. If it is 3.43, you can write it as 343 upon 100. क्योंकि 2 decimal है तो 20 वाला 10 चाहिए. 10 into 2, again 10. If it is 0.343, you will write it as 343 upon 1000. That means decimal fraction is having always a denominator. Decimal part of the fraction is having a denominator multiple of 10. That is why उसका नाम ही ऐसा हो गया, decimal fraction. अभी 4.3 into 5 दिए तो 4 full है, 0.3 is the fraction. So can we think about multiplying that without this decimal? Yes, we can. We can write 4.3 as 43 upon 10 and multiply with 5. तो क्या होगा? 43 into 5 is equal to 215 divided with 10 means you will write 21.5. This became method 1. सिर्फ ऐसे ही कर सकते हैं क्या? 4.3 into 5. I am writing it again. 4.3 into 5. You can do it in different way also. You can do one thing. What is that? You can multiply 4 which is whole into 5 which will become 20, then 0.3 into 5. 5 3s are 15. कितना डेसिमल है इधर? 1. तो इधर एक पॉइंट डालने का and add both, so you will come get 21.5. वही मिल गया. Method 2. This is another method. But most common method, करके करके हम दोनों मेथड बोल के तीसरा मेथड में आएंगे. 4.3 को डायरेक्ट 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. ये आप बड़ा क्लास में यही यूज करेंगे. डायरेक्ट कैसे मल्टीप्लाई करने का? थिंक दैट इट इज 43 into 5. भूल जाओ डेसिमल के बारे में. 5 3s are 15, balance 1, 5 4s are 20 plus 1 21. How many decimal numbers when multiplied? Only one decimal. Count from here 1 and put point here and write the answer as 21.5. Finished. This way you can solve. Understood? So डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन से शुरू करके हम किधर डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन का मल्टीप्लिकेशन में पहुंच गया. डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन का मल्टीप्लिकेशन ही इसमें इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है. प्रीवियस टू टॉपिक विच आई स्टार्टेड विथ व्हाट वी से addition which you have already done, where you will put the decimal numbers in order and do conversion of kilogram, liter, kilometer into gram, milliliter, and meter is a conversion where you will be getting decimal. So decimal multiplication is very important. You should be thorough with it. That is one of the most important part of this lesson and importance of this lesson, I would say. Okay, I had taken a picture for you. I am searching for it. Where is that picture from your textbook? Yes, here is a picture. Let me show you that picture. Here is a picture. What is this picture talking about? The rate of petrol is 62 rupees 32 paise per liter. Rupees 62.32 rupees में बोले तो. Seema wants to fill 2.5 liters of petrol in her scooter. How many rupees will she have to pay? Which operation is required in this case? A real situation है. सीमा का सिचुएशन रियल है. कैसा सॉल्व करेंगे हमको पूछ रहे. हाउ सीमा सिचुएशन कैन बी सॉल्व. चलो सीमा को इधर बिठाता हूँ. सीमा इज फिलिंग द पेट्रोल एंड शी इज हैविंग ए वेरी अजीब सा नंबर दिया है. व्हाट इज इट? द पेट्रोल प्राइस इज रुपीज. Petrol price is rupees 62 rupees 32 paise or 62.32 rupees, 62.32 rupees, right? That is a per liter. She has to fill 2 liter and half liter. तो फिर कैसा लिखेंगे? हमको लिखना पड़ेगा 2.5 लीटर्स. इसलिए कन्वर्शन इंपॉर्टेंट है. 2.5 लीटर एंड पर लीटर इट इज 62.32 rupees. Now the question over here is, which operation you will do to solve this? Simply you will have to say that you have to do multiplication, no doubt. You have to carry out multiplication. To carry out multiplication, we have more than one ways. Correct? Just now we saw that there are ways by which we can remove decimal number and multiply, or we can convert that into number having denominators multiple of 10. So I will use one method where I will write 62.32 can be written as 6232 upon 1. How many digits are there? 2 digits are there. Naturally 2 decimal points are there. I will write 100. And 2.5 can be written as 25 upon 10. Then I will multiply. How I will multiply? 6232 upon 100 into 25 upon 10. थोड़ा बड़ा मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, लेकिन दूसरा रास्ता नहीं है. सो 6232 अपॉन 25 में करूँगा. व्हाट विल हैपन? 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, plus 1 16, 5 2s are 10, plus 1 11, बाकी 1, 5 6 are 30, plus 1 31. Then 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12. Total it 0, 6 4 plus 10, then 7 plus 1 8, 5 5 1. Now I have this number below it. That means I have to write the answer in this format. How much? 155,800 upon 100. Correct. Now 3 zeros are there. So 1 2 3. तो इधर मुझे डेसिमल डाल के 155 रुपीस 80 paise, otherwise 155.80 rupees I have to pay, or Seema have to give to the petrol pump owner. Another method of multiplying this is 62.32 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2.5 दिए, तो अब डेसिमल के बारे में भूल जाएंगे, सीधा 25 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सेम वे यू विल गेट 31160 एंड 12464, टोटल करने से 155,800 मिलेंगे. देन यू विल काउंट द नंबर ऑफ डेसिमल हियर, 2 + 1 3, 1 2 3. Here you will put the decimal and you will get the answer. Understood? This way also you can solve the sum. Understood? Let me revise what was told to you today. What was told to you today is, one thing was, first and foremost I told was about decimal fraction addition. उसमें क्या बताया? The decimal point should be in a line while adding and subtracting. 3.2 and 4.3, ये तो ये लाइन में आना मांगता है decimal. Simply add them. Then you can convert decimal number into, decimal fraction into non-decimal. कैसे? It can be done. 3.2 can be written as 32/10. Then you studied about multiplication. Multiplication can be carried out by number one method, by cancelling the decimal. कैसे? By putting denominator डाल के. कैसे denominator? Which will be multiples of 10. Second method, multiply disregarding, उसको importance भी मत दो, disregarding decimal. फिर then add decimal later, decimal point later. ये दो मेथड से आपको वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. देखो स्टूडेंट्स, ये चैप्टर सिंपल है, टेक्स्ट बुक अच्छा एक्सप्लेन भी किया है, मैंने भी वीडियो बनाया है, एग्जाम्पल्स भी दिया है. प्रॉब्लम नंबर 14, प्रॉब्लम सेट 14, 15, 16 ऐसा है ये चैप्टर का प्रॉब्लम सेट. सिंपली मार्केट में तो आपको भी जाना है, बैंक में भी जाना पड़ेगा, ग्रोसरी शॉप में भी जाना पड़ेगा, डेसिमल नंबर का सामना करना पड़ेगा, एडिशन करना पड़ेगा, मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना पड़ेगा. कोई तो ऐसा सोचता होगा कि मैं कैलकुलेटर में करेंगे. नो, डू इट मेंटली. यू विल बिकम मेंटली स्ट्रांग, मैथमेटिकली स्ट्रांग, कल काम में आएगा. सो मैंने एकदम रफली थोड़ा बना के दिया, मुझे मालूम है, लेकिन रफ है या रफ नहीं है ये सब मैथ्स में इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. द मैटर इज इम्पोर्टेंट. थोड़ा अच्छा और नीटली आप बनाएंगे. मैं डिजिटल स्क्रीन थोड़ा पहले बार यूज़ कर रहा हूँ, उसका सिस्टम मुझे थोड़ा समझने का टाइम चाहिए. एनीवे दैट इज़ नॉट अ थिंग टू बी टोल्ड यू, बट प्लीज़ अंडरस्टैंड माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, प्रैक्टिस करना है, समझना है, प्रैक्टिस करना है, एक्सरसाइज खुद करना है और स्ट्रांग बनना है. ओके, थैंक यू.